One of the first things you see when you come to the Arboretum in October are these gorgeous pink flowering trees.
They are floss oak trees, scientific name Chorisias speciosa. Native to northern Argentina and southern Brazil, these trees get their name from the fiber they produce when their ripe fruit explodes upon ripening. But what they do best is bloom.
One thing you can't help but notice about Chorisias is the spines that cover these things. These trees are not to be placed in lawns where you want to do a lot of touch football or contact sports. The spines are there to protect the trunks. The trunks are green. They're photosynthetic. That means that this tree can lose all its leaves in response to drought and still manufacture food. And that's because it has chlorophyll in the bark close enough to the surface to allow it to photosynthesize and make food for itself. The problem is that this also makes the bark more attractive to animals that would eat it. Hence the spines that keep the animals off. In the early 80s, the Arboretum introduced 4 different varieties of Chorisias: September Splendor, Los Angeles Beautiful, Alaska Beauty, and Arcadia. And the reason they introduced these 4 is that they have sequential bloom. First, September Splendor comes in, then Alaska Beauty, then Los Angeles Beautiful, sometimes at the same time, and then finally Arcadia, the late bloomer, coming in as late as November and even December. In fact, if you take a look at our Arcadia, it's just starting to bloom and it's getting toward late October.
Alaska Beauty in the foreground and Los Angeles Beautiful in the background are 2 Chorisias that look kind of alike, but there are some differences in the flowers.
If you know what to look for, you can see the difference and impress all your friends by how botanically gifted you are. This right here is Los Angeles Beautiful. Look at the center right there. The center is very white, very little yellow, whereas Alaska Beauty, not only is it a larger flower, but it has a noticeable yellow center. Los Angeles Beautiful, Alaska Beauty. Los Angeles Beautiful, Alaska Beauty.